All right. All right, you guys. So I'm looking at Forex Factory News right now. Obviously everything's been hit this morning, so it's not really, I would not want anyone to trade at all this morning, but we're going to trade this morning. We're going to try it out. Remember, when we have a lot of news, it's not always a trading day. So if everyone who's up on their accounts, if they don't feel comfortable in trading right now, then go to demo. You don't have to trade this. But, if you're someone who's kind of confident and you made some money over the week and you want to try this out, then go live with me and only risk about $5 to $10. We're going to be only compounding 1%. Okay. We're going to be testing with $5 and compounding with 1% because of the news. Okay. Now, after we know that the news is here, we take in consideration that let's see what is not being hit. It's about 7 a.m. We still have news from 6:45 hitting USD. So let's see here. It looks like CHF is the only pair that didn't get hit from 12:15 a.m. all the way to 6:45 a.m. Now, when this happens, like I said, you guys never want to trade this by yourself because the news has happened all morning, every hour. So every other hour or so. So you'd want to wait until about, around actually like 4 p.m. to trade, because anything past then we don't have news. Okay, so let's look at it. CHF, and it looks like JPY didn't get hit, so let's go over to currency strength meter. Remember, we're finding the diamond, right? We're finding a diamond in the rough. We have to find that one pair. Usually one pair is going to give us the money. Okay, so now we go to currency strength meter and boom, we confirm it. It looks like, now remember, we're watching currency strength meter. What does this look like? It looks like every single pair is in an uptrend. So what does that mean? That means that there's so much news going on, that there's so much volatility that every single pair is pumping. Every pair is pumping massively. So we want to stay away from all those. So we want to look at 4 bars. Remember, CHF is 4 bars, okay, to USD. So now, because this is the only pair, you guys, that's available for us today that does not got hit, we have to stay on just this pair. Now, if we lose one, okay, we only get one more shot. Now we lose that second one, we're done for the day. And then because of the news will be better, we have another session at 6:30 p.m. tonight, okay? So let's try this out. CHF USD, we're going over to Hourglass. For CHF USD, CHF, let's see. All right, it's 48 over, or 6 over 48. Oh, and it's going up right now. We could do a put. Let's see, switch over. We have 13 seconds left. USD Chief, USD Chief. One second left. Uh-oh, my chart kind of glitched, you guys. Be careful. This is for a put, but be careful because I can't see the entries right now. My chart's a little, it's not giving me the support and resistance. So give me, it's for a put, you guys. If anyone can get in at 619 before it dropped, or it just dropped right now. Okay, give me 1 second. Come on. And there it goes. So the chart did load, but it was a little bit too fast for me, and it just, my chart didn't load, so I couldn't get in. Was anyone able to get in there? This one was pretty fast. Did anyone get in at 615? I did call that price before it dropped. Did anyone get in? My chart was glitching, so I couldn't see the exact entry price. Oh, Gianna, you're in? Okay, good. Let me know when you expire. Matt, that's okay. I missed it too. My chart was glitching, so it's okay, you guys. Remember, you don't want to just go in blindly if your chart's not working. So I had to wait a few seconds. So this was a great call. Great call. This is deep profits now. Gianna, let me know when you clear. Mareem, you're in. Awesome. Remember, you guys, this is the only pair we can trade right now, okay? So let's see, it's at 1946, okay? So here's a little risk, okay? You want to try $5, okay? $5, just try $5. Now, I'm not saying to go against, I am saying to go against the currency, but remember, we have support here. Now, price goes down to that first support at 545 and 532. You can take a $5 entry, okay, for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Now you want to be selling this, okay? You want to be selling this, but since we're on one pair, okay, because this is the only pair that has, has no bad news, you can technically buy and sell this, but we want to use our 1 to 2% on a sell, and we really only want to use 0.5 and 1% on a buy because we're going against the strength, okay? So it kind of hit that 556 price right there. Did anyone clear that for a sell? Doug, awesome. You cleared it. Nice, Doug. So remember, we don't want to go against the trend, but like I said, you guys can try a $5 play going the other way because this is the only pair we can use. It's at support right now. So it's going to do two things: break support or bounce. Okay. So if you're not going to buy this, all we have to do is wait for the sell again. Okay. All we have to do is wait for that price to pull back. And there you go. Didn't it's at 5? Was that the support? Yeah, it just hit 548. And the support level was 545. Awesome, Doug. Awesome, Mareem. Awesome. Gianno, did you clear?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. See, okay, you guys? Did you see what price did on this on your broker account? It came down to 545. Look at hourglass right there. Gave you the support price. If you put your mouse on the support, 545. You guys could have bought that for $5. You guys could have got this as well on an uptrend. Do you see that? This is what I'm talking about, okay? So when you have terrible news, you can make money on one pair going both ways. All you have to do is transition your mindset. That's it. And you have to transition your leverage. If we're buying 0.5%, if we're selling because the currency strength is stronger, we're going to do 1, maybe 2%, okay? Now, just asking, did anyone get in for 548 when it hit that support price? I'm just going to check currency strength, make sure anything else is going down. Nope, it's still just CHF USD. It's just still this, you guys. So I grabbed that 549 price for $5. I'm about to clear now just for $5. So I'm just 1-0 for this. It's pumping up now. So now once it's pumping up, we can look for a sell, okay? We can look for a sell here. I'm just waiting to clear this right now, you guys. I entered for the buy at 549.
You're on fire today, bro. You're on fire.
I have 3 seconds. Give me a few seconds. All right, just clear that one for a buy. Now, okay, let's see USD CHF. Is it glitching? It's glitching a little bit. All right, you guys, remember, this is where you want to sell. So I can't see it on here. I want to wait till my chart gives me good visual. All right, so that first resistance, 611, right? 611, we could do a sell again. All right, 611 and above. You want to get that 611 and above price for a sell. Says 612 and above, okay? So it could shoot up. Remember, we have 3 minutes left of this blue candle. It can go anywhere from right here, okay? So we want to be patient traders. The last previous high was 619 on your broker account. That last pump before it crashed was 619. And resistance says 612. So you're going to want to get around 612 and above near that 619 price again if it pumps up. Remember, you guys, don't forget about the RSI. The RSI is pumping up. Remember, once both of them pumps up, we're going to come down, right? So it's going to retest that resistance. There you go. It's almost at 6. There you go, 615. It's retesting it right now. Did anyone get that 616 price?
I got in at 615.
Awesome. Awesome. There you go. Look, it's going down. All right. Let's not get cocky here. Let's just hold on to it. Awesome, Davis. You cleared both of them. Awesome. When's your expiry? Whoever said they're in on this at 6:15.
1350.
If you need to roll it over, you can. If not, you can get another entry. Okay. Remember, currency strength is stronger, so you can buy one more time, but don't roll it over. If it's going to break past that, we don't need to roll it over. Okay. We have a minute left for it to go down. Here you go. It's crashing down. Let's see.
No, I didn't get it.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry. Okay, we have one more shot here. We have 58 seconds. All right, the next candle is going to print. Most likely it's going to be either a put. Now it's going to retest that second support, okay? 647. We wait. We don't get in yet. We wait for that next candle, 40 seconds. Whoever said they didn't clear that, Claudia, them, you might want to do 2 minutes. The market is moving kind of crazy. So 2 minutes, maybe 3-minute trades, you guys, 2 3-minute trades. All right, there it goes down. We have 2 seconds left. Someone could have gone in at 643 at that second support. Now we have 580, or whoops, 618 and above. 618 and above, it says to get in for Hourglass. And my Hourglass is glitching. Here we go. Were you able to roll that one over? Was that Claudia or Alejandra?
This is Claudia. No, I wasn't able to. And I just checked. I was on fixed time. That's why. But I was on 2 minutes. Yeah.
No worries. No worries. Yeah, make sure you guys watch that. See, now the price is going down. So if we would have rolled that one over, you would have been able to clear that. Did anyone get in on that one? Awesome, Matt. You just cleared that one. Awesome. Awesome. You guys remember, look at that, you guys. Okay. Hourglass just gave us, remember, if we lost that first one, right, we can double up or we can get the same entry at a better price. Remember, okay. So we could have got the same entry for a better price, or you could have rolled it over once. I got my rollover. I did roll it over and I did clear that last one. I'm going to show you guys right here. Let me show you my screen. So Claudia, Alejandra, don't worry about it. You weren't necessarily wrong. It was just the timing. Can you guys see my chart? Yeah, there you go. I got that one right where you guys entered here and it finally fell and I cleared it. You see that? So don't worry about it. You know, we're going to get the next one here. Okay. All right, you guys, now it's coming down. Remember, Just we're going to ride this wave. There you go, Gianno, 3-0. There you go. Yep, I'm 2-0. Okay, so everyone, if you're up 3%, okay, if this is your 3% and you're up $30, you're up $20, whatever it is, okay, make the conscious decision to switch over to demo or take one more trade. But just realize if you lose this last trade, you could go under 3%, okay? Now, remember, it's a blessing that we're winning right now because the market is crazy, all right? The market's crazy. Look at it, just, you know, this pair just went from the top to the bottom 3-4 different times, hit support and resistance. So remember, you guys, if you're up on your account right now, today's a blessing, all right? Gianno shaking. All right, so now it's going to come down to support. Remember, look at support is 538 and 533. Okay, so it's going to bounce here. Oh, there it goes. It just, yeah, it's just going to say it's going to bounce here. Remember, we have a bounce every time it hits support. Now it reached the blue Bollinger line. We don't need to do anything else.
Cleared.
Awesome, awesome, bro. Did you do the sell or buy?
That was on that put. I had to roll it twice to get it back into profits. I took it around like 609.
Oh, you were where I was at almost, huh? Yeah, I rolled it over too. Yeah. So we're just waiting, you guys. Remember, this is what it is. This is what it is to be a trader. We're just patiently waiting for price to come to us, okay? On days like this, we don't want to switch it out. We don't want to overcomplicate it, okay? We just want to sit here and let the money come to us, okay? It's like saying every 5-10 minutes, the money's going to come and pay you, right? So you just got to sit there. Learn to just sit there. All right, here we go. It's going to crash a little bit more down. We have 38 seconds left. Remember, $5. We don't want to risk anything more than $5 or even $10 on this because we're going against the trend. All right, if we're buying this, only $5. If we're selling it, do 1-2%. All right. 20 seconds left. We had a blue, red now. Could be red or blue, but I'm guessing it's going to be most likely, I want to say red one more time, but my chart's glitching, so I can't really see it yet. Did the second alert panel disappear for you guys? Because mine's just disappeared. Or there it goes. There it goes. All right, so we have a call 570 or below to get in. 570 or below. My chart's glitching, so I can't get in or see it. Oh, there we go. Man, I love that. Everyone's eating healthy at my house. They're making shakes and everything. I love that.
Oh yeah, well I'm eating bacon.
All right, you guys. Here we go. Let's see, 570 or below. It came down to 570. Did anyone get that price? Remember, Hourglass just gave us 570.
I'm in it, boy. Deep profit.
Awesome. Let's go, Matt. Let's go, Douglas. 567. What'd you get in at? Remember, you guys, I said 2-minute trades for these opposite directions. Remember, 2-minute trades because 3-minute may give it enough time to flip on you. Okay, so these are like 2-minute trades going the other way. You want always 3-minute trades when you're going in the right direction. Okay, but for the opposite direction, I always do about 2 minutes. Now remember, you guys, look at that. Hourglass gave us that entry, okay, 570 or below, and it came all the way down to 566. And you're, woo, let's go deep. All right, here we go again. Let's get that sell. We're going to do one more sell, you guys. Let's do this. All right, it's going to get back up there. Our entry for a sell will be 636 and above. 636 and above. Here we go. The money's coming to us. Here we go. It's waking up. It's saying, all right, I'm going to pay you today. All right, here we go. Awesome, Davis. Awesome. Awesome, Matt. Yeah, I took that 570. All right, so that's 3-0 for me for right now. I only took that for $5 though, so I've only compounded. I think only one. Let me see that compound. There's that price again, 614. Sorry guys, I'm trying to look at my thing. Okay, so if you guys both took the right direction, so everyone should be on their second compound if they won that one, and if they won their buying option, so they should be like 5-5 or their second option or their second compound. So remember, if you won that first one, you got to add that profit to it, right? And you want to sell it at the top. In order to get that full amount, you want to get paid more, you got to go the right way. Awesome, Giano. If this your big profit right now, bro, if you're in big profit, remember to switch to demo 4-0. Whew. I'd think about that. I think about it.
Yeah, I'm thinking right now.
All right, you guys, it's a blessing. Listen, it's a blessing that we're even doing this on a day that nobody wants to trade, okay? It's a blessing, all right? So here we go, 617. We're almost going to be up there. Remember, like I said, if you were to get these, you want to only remember at the top, okay? 3-minute trades, 2-minute trades, you want to be able to roll it over because it will fluctuate down. All right, 638 and above for a sell. 638 and above. 624. It's still going up. Let's see. I'm going to check it over currency strengthener, make sure everything's beautiful. Yep, it's still beautiful. Still beautiful. All right, we got a put. All right, put is at 610 and above. 610 and above. There's 610. If anyone were to get that 625, I missed that 625 price. I missed it. I'm just going to wait until comes up back up there, but I don't think it's going to come back up there now. So I missed that one. I missed that 625 price before it fell. I can't see the chart, you guys. My chart's glitching. Give me a second. Come on. There we go. Matt, you might want to roll over your 621. If not, just leave it, okay? But your bottom one, you have to make a decision if you want to roll that one over or let it go and concentrate on your top one, because this could fall lower, okay? This could fall lower. And the RSI at the top is dipping down. It's dipping down, Matt. So you have to make your decision on which entry you want to let go of, okay, to make more on. Or you can just hold them both. It's up to you.
I only took 2 minutes on them, so they both cleared actually just about 15 seconds ago, which was good.
Awesome, awesome. All right, you guys. So we noticed something, right? We noticed something here, okay? I'm starting to notice that the candles are starting to bunch up right in that middle EMA. So it looks like price might want to turn around here and actually break through this next resistance because it's getting pretty close to it. And when it bunches up like that, if you guys notice, I'll paint it on my hourglass. I want you guys to notice this. This is market structure, okay? This right here is going to tell you an indication that market might flip and it might go up before it comes really down, like before it comes down, okay? So we want to be careful here now. What time is it? If it's 7:30, yep, okay. So all right, so okay, so this is where I want to talk about too, okay? So the market this might be done now, you guys. This might be where, you know, price really flips and then you don't want to touch it anymore until the next hour. But remember, every 15 minutes, every 30-minute, and every hour mark, there's going to be a price direction change, okay? There's going to be a change in direction at every 15:30 an hour mark, okay? So right now it's 7:30, so the price just flipped, okay? You notice that the price is going higher, even though we have 40 over 14. There's no control over the times of days it's going to flip. It just flips around 15-minute, 30-minute, and hour mark, okay? So I'm 3-0. I didn't take that price entry there. I'm going to leave it like this, you guys. I really think that, you know, see, it's already flipping. There we go. It's already flipping. It's reaching past that resistance. It wants to break it. And if it breaks it, we're going to keep going up. So where most traders lose a lot of their money is in this transition. Okay. This transition is what I've had to learn how to not lose hundreds and thousands of dollars, because this transition right here, no matter what you do, you have to be aware of it or else it's going to wreck you. Okay. That transition from bottom to top to bottom, it will wreck you. But that's why you always have to make sure you look at 15:30 and hour marks, okay, of the market. It already pumped all the way up to 644. All right, so that tells me I'm not going to touch this anymore. We made enough money off this pair and it gave us the money we needed. Now we walk away. We walk away and that's it. All right, so please, you guys, please put your records in the chat, please, so I can tag you guys. And also, if I don't tag you guys, please message me on Instagram. Here's my Instagram. I want to tag everyone in Instagram, so you know, your friends, your family, you know, everyone sees what you're doing. You should show everybody, because I want to let you guys know that trading originally came 10, 20, 30, even 100 years ago from Yale, Harvard, actual pristine colleges. Okay. So it's amazing that we're living in the 21st century where we don't need to go to pristine colleges and we can make just as much money or more than those people who were born in wealth. Okay. So this is a pristine time in your life. Okay. Enjoy it. Okay. We got paid today. We had a great week because of Julissa and now me. Okay. So everyone, please tag me, or everyone, please put your record in the chat. And I hope you guys had a great and wonderful day, but please don't leave yet. Please put your record in the chat. I need it. I need it.
Aaron, I just wanted to give you some kudos, man. Thank you so much for, you know, obviously taking the time. Thank you so much for impacting not only your team, but, you know, our community in general. And very, very soon it's going to be Team Lfg as a whole, man. And just the education, like just understanding, you know, why the candles get so close, why the market's about to flip, the timing, like all those little things. I really hope everybody's really paying attention to, guys, because they speak about this in the Academy videos. If all of you have gone through it, as I have 4 times, you'll know that he's basically just repeating everything that's being educated, guys. And then he's doing it in a hands-on live action learning. Okay. So when I go through an organizational cause, he's doing it right in front of your face, guys. So I appreciate you, bro. Thank you so much. And I know everybody's ecstatic and happy for you. And we got some big plans for you, my brother. So I appreciate it.
Hey, thank you so much. And hey, Davis, thank you for joining. Gianno, thanks for joining. Douglas, Laura, Freddie, Matt, Athena, Chanel, Jasmine, everyone in here that I did not mention, thank you so much for joining. Mareem, you guys have a wonderful day, you guys. And please message me on Instagram if I didn't tag you. I want to tag everyone, okay? Everyone should be tagged. All right? Have a great rest of your day, you guys.
See you later, bro.
Later, man. Does anyone have any questions at all before we end the session? Any questions? Okay, you guys have a great and wonderful day. I'll see you tomorrow.
Thanks, Aaron. You too.